global on-demand TV apps or video streaming app was worth around 42.6 billion in 2019 and it is expected to grow at 20% CAGR per year. So it would be something around $180 billion by 2027, wherein Netflix has $7 billion in quarter 2 of 2021, which shows 25% growth rate than previous year. So let's dive into what it was. Hi, I am Niyati and in this video I am going to share why you should invest in on-demand TV apps or video streaming apps like Hulu, Netflix and many others to entertain the world. Let me start with some more realistic data about the apps that are already dominating the market. Production and artists in many of the countries are already streaming their movies, TV shows, web apps and much more to entertain the world on video streaming apps. COVID pandemic have proved to be a blessing for entertainment market as they are having video streaming apps. Netflix has 36 million new subscribers in 2020 with around 200 million subscribers in total. Hulu has 36 million subscribers in total. Amid COVID pandemic, SBS On Demand have managed to reach 8.2 million subscribers in Australia via its digital platforms and it is growing than ever before. Peacock streaming app has 54 million users in the second quarter of 2021. This company was in loss in 2019, but by the last quarter of 2020, it managed to generate 100 million of revenue. Also, Tokyo Olympic has proved to be a blessing for this application. Also, Tokyo Olympic boosted its download by 96%. Disney Plus just started in November 2019 and got 116 million worldwide subscribers. Do you know the reason of its popularity? It is because they hold the video content that people like the most and they admire the most. Amazon Prime is the closest competitor of Netflix as it also holds more than 200 million subscribers. YouTube has 2 billion monthly active users, wherein 30 million people watch their videos daily for a billion hours. I'm sure these details will inspire you to entertain the world with your on-demand streaming app or on-demand TV app. Also, if you want to get in-depth detail about subscription plans, revenue and much more, do check our blog on our website. Link are in the description below. If you like the content and have an idea of on-demand video streaming app or on-demand TV app, do get in touch with us at sales@ibiixo.com. You can also drop your details on the link given below in the description. To get the latest update about such interesting topic, prefer subscribing our channel. I am Niyati signing off today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay in touch with us to develop an on-demand video streaming app to entertain the world. Thank you. Bye-bye.